If you're thinking about buying Finale inventory, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Whether you're comparing it to other inventory management software or just exploring your options, these key points will give you a clear understanding of whether Finale inventory is the right fit for your business needs. First up, Finale inventory is known for its scalability, which is great if you're running a growing business. Unlike some of the smaller, more basic software solutions, Finale is designed to handle complex workflows as you scale. It's ideal for businesses that have large product catalogs or manage inventory across multiple warehouses. This is something many other inventory solutions struggle with at scale, but Finale makes it easier with automation features that let you focus on growing your business instead of constantly managing stock levels manually. Next thing, Finale inventory offers robust barcode scanning functionality. If you're already using barcodes in your business, Finale integrates seamlessly with both barcode scanners and mobile devices. This is a huge time saver when it comes to managing large inventories and can cut down on error significantly compared to other software that either lacks this feature or requires additional integrations. The third thing to consider is how Finale inventory handles multi-location inventory. Many competitors only support single-location businesses, but Finale excels in managing stock across multiple warehouses. This flexibility is something other tools don't always get right, and it's essential if you have a business spread across different areas or need to track stock levels from multiple places. Finale makes it easy to transfer stock between locations and keep everything synchronized. The fourth thing to know is that Finale inventory integrates with a wide range of platforms, including e-commerce tools like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay. This is particularly useful if you're running an online store and want to keep track of your inventory in real time. Unlike some software which only integrates with a handful of e-commerce platforms or requires expensive add-ons, Finale provides easy integration with major sales channels, so you can centralize your inventory management in one place. Now, let's talk about pricing. Finale inventory can be a bit pricier than some of its competitors, especially for businesses just starting out. However, if you have a mid-sized to large business, the pricing is actually quite competitive when you look at the features you're getting. The software offers flexible pricing plans based on your inventory volume and the features you need. This means that you're only paying for what you use, which gives it an edge over some other inventory systems that charge flat fees, regardless of your usage. The sixth thing you need to know is that Finale inventory offers strong reporting and analytics. If you want to get a deeper insight into your inventory trends, sales performance, or just have better visibility into your operations, Finale provides a comprehensive reporting suite. This is something other inventory management tools lack or offer only in basic versions. Finale's reporting tools allow you to track performance across different product categories, so you're always in the loop about what's selling, what's not, and where your inefficiencies are. Finally, Finale inventory offers a completely free trial, which is a great way to test out the software before committing. You can use all of its features during the trial period, which is an excellent way to get a feel for how it works for your business. Most competitors either don't offer a free trial or limit access to key features during the trial period. This is a game changer if you want to get hands-on experience with the software before making a decision. If you want to try Finale inventory for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss the chance to explore everything Finale inventory has to offer and see how it can streamline your inventory management.